Hello everyone. So in this lecture, I'm going to add the chat model to this AI agent. So click on this plus icon and here you can use Grook or any chat model or any LLM which you want to add here. So let me take this one, OpenAI, this one. So I have already created the account. So I'm going to use the existing one and the model, let me take this one. I'm okay with that. And then click on this tool and here we have to use think tool. That's all. Let me save and click on execute workflow. Let me give this image and Indian actress wearing this suit and in sitting pose. Submit. So this model is in execution state, you can see. Now think tool is running now. Now let me check the final prompt. So this AI agent has combined two sources of information. The first one is the user instruction and the second one is the image analysis. And finally, it has provided this prompt. Now with the help of this prompt, it is going to create the final image. So that's all. We'll see in the next lecture.